Hello friends, welcome back to Ace Learning. We will be making video series on different algorithms and various concepts of data structure. So first of all, we will consider this Kruskal minimum spanning tree in series. And if you want to watch the video on Booth's algorithm, so you can see it in I section upwards, or else I will also provide the link in description so you can watch that too. So for Kruskal minimum spanning tree, uh, we have to make sure that these three rules should be applied. So in that, first is no cycle should be formed. So we have this given graph tree like structure, and these numbers against these edges are known as weights. Okay, so for example, fd is of one weight, having weight 1, cf is having weight 2, bc is having weight 7. So like this whole structure is made. And second rule is that it should include all vertices in the output, like this here, and at right side. And third point is you have to arrange edges in increasing order of weights. So I have already done that. So to arrange this, you have to consider from less or minimum number, and make the increasing order, arrange in increasing order of weights like this. As in this graph we have minimum weight for fd, that is 1. So it or df, so it will appear 1. Then cf2, af2, like this you have to arrange in increasing order. Maximum is 8 here, bf. Okay, so now just let's make the minimum spanning tree. For this you have to consider this order, arrange order. In that df is equal to 1, so let's add dfh. As I am using paint here, so I will add like this df. Okay, now cf equal to 2, so we can add because there is no cycle here. As you can see, it is not making any cycle here, the cycle like structure. Now fa equal to 2, fa. Okay, fa equal to 2. Now cd equal to 3, c and d. Okay, so like this, if you see, it will make structure now, cyclic structure, so we don't want that, so ignore this part. Okay, whatever edges is making cyclic structure, ignore that and consider next one. This is the main point of in minimum spanning tree. Now fe equal to 4, fe, this is 4, ae 5, a and e, this is also making cyclic structure, right? So we should ignore it. ba equal to 6, ba, this is okay. ed equal to 6, e and d, this is also making cyclic, so ignore it. Move on to next. cb equal to 7, cb equal to 7. If you see, this is also making cyclic of these 4 nodes, so ignore that. And fb equal to 8, fb, this is also making cyclic. So after traversing all the like edges in increasing order of weight, we have made this spanning tree. So quickly now add the wedges here, weight here, fe. So fe weight is 4. Now we have made this cf 2, and then ba 6, and then fa 2. Yeah, this one is remaining, fd equal to 1. So the sum of this minimum spanning tree now is 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. So total sum will be 15. Okay, so here we have connected all the vertices and traversed all the edges, and we have not considered this that edge which will make cyclic structure. So this is how Kruskal minimum spanning tree is made. And complexity of this algorithm is O of E log V, where E is edge and V is vertices. So I hope you understand this classical minimum spanning tree. You can try different example on this by considering this all steps which I have shown here in this video, and stay tuned for our next videos on data structure. Till then, happy learning and subscribe to our channel AS Learning. Thanks.